La Viga, Grate, La Saga, Limpag, Monticalvo, Nibongko, Onden, Ordiniza, Faring, Folia, Radok, Ramel, Samson, and head coach Mr. Jong Karakot. Starter lineup from Barangay Mayay, Bajam Team. Katakutan, Kanyedo, Chus, Ding Lasa, Goro, Labado, Manoy, Monticalvo G, Monticalvo R, Mr. Paterno, Roa G, Roa R, Sardual, Tinoy, and Mr. Tubal, head coach Mr. Reynaldo Cabili Jr. Okay, starter lineup, starter 5 from MSU IIT Cats, Limpag, Ramel, Ordiniza, Paring, and Grate. From Bajam Team, Mr. Sardual, Monticalvo, Manoy, Katakutan, and Mr. Canyedo. Okay, bakbakan na. Magandang labanan to. MSU IIT versus Bajams. Our official referee from SBP, Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Mr. Eric Facot, Roy Barty, and Mr. Ondoy Mirasol. Okay, palihog lang ko dia sakit. Oh, hawani lang ninyo dia para makasulot tong manulod. Yan na. Sardual. To Monticalvo. To Katakutan. Good for 2. Limpag. To Ramel. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Good for 3 points. Ramel. Monticalvo to Paterno. Paterno. Matake. Yes. Good for 2 points. Limpag now. Pumisto ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Katakutan. Pass to Mr. Monticalvo. Monticalvo. Short. Rebound by Mr. Ramel. Ramel. Pass to Grate. Ni Bongko. Long to. No good. Paterno. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Sardual. Loose ball. Hula sa MSU IIT Cats. Limpag. Pass to Ramel. Ramel na naman. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by Limpag. Limpag. Naghahanap ng kasama si Mr. Limpag. Pass to Grate. Grate to Onden. Onden tumira ng 3. Wala. Loose ball. Monticalvo to Katakutan. Rebound by Nubongko. Simbol bola sa Trabungko. Nanatong Mr. MC, Mr. Mikoy. Limpag to Ramel. Ramel. Naghahanap ng kasama. Tumubong po. Nice block. Paterno. Umaatake si Mr. Paterno. Basket. May kasamang foul. Foul jersey number 11.
Hello, hello. Yun. Okay. Grabe. Ladies and gentlemen, that was referee Ronnie Abihar. Di ba? Multitasking na siya. Pwede mag-referee, pwede mag-commentator. Di ba? Dancer mo yun. Grabe.
Ayun.
Hello, hello. Like that. Yan. Alright, that was Grate for 2 points. Score is now 5-7 in favor of the Jump basketball. Stolen by Limpag. Limpag, oy, deflected. Number 14 takes the cleanup. 2 points for number 14. Oy, deflected again. But out of bounds. Grabe yung energy pinakita sa atin ni Limpag, mga ka-GBL. Tie ball game tayo at 6 minutes and 40 seconds of the first quarter. Monte Calvo dribbling the ball. Oops! May pisikal na nangyari. Double foul. Double foul between, oy! Ito na. Mga kainitan. Tignan natin kung masisindak ba yung mga mas younger players. Ito na. Things are getting interesting ngayong gabi mga ka-GBL. Limpag. Stolen by Dichos. Pinasa. Nag-iisa. Wide open layup by Sardual for 2 points. Foul. Ayan. Timeout called by MSU IIT Cats. Ito, may napadala ata sa gibate si Grate doon.
Grati, third foul.
Yawan, tanim mo rin po. So, ayan. 2 fouls ng big man ng MSU IIT Cats. Sometimes kasi basketball is a mind game, rep, no? Mind game sa basketball, no? Hindi juga padala sa mga mga provocative moves ba, no? Yan. Grate is now second personal foul. And that time I was brought to you by Vice Mayor Rekwek Uy Iligan. We can do it. And now we're back to the ball game. Ayan, Monte Calvo, pump fakes. No good. Rebound by the tall Jerome Paterno for 2 points. Grabe, napakatangkad. Ginamit ang height.
Iba ang tangkad.
Yes. Laking Cherfer. Ito na, si Samson. Pinasa kay Ramil. To Ordinisa.
Paring.
Paring.
Wala.
Fast break to Monte Calvo. Monte Calvo humihintay ng mga kakampi. Binalik kay Dichos to Sardual for 3 points. Counted! Sardual for 3! Acacio.
Hey, to shoot.
No good. Rebound by Dichos. Sardual. Nakita si Katakutan to Jerome Paterno. No good.
Still, Dichos to Mr. Paterno.
Paterno,
Iba
tinitigan ng
ang
depensa.
Iba talaga ang tangkad.
Wala, kitutukan, right? Ordinisa. To De La Vega. Number 2. Back to Ordinisa. Pumira ng 2. No good. Rebound by Dichos. Na-steal. Up. Ayan. Ordinisa. Up. Tomira counted ang tira ni number 16. Samson for 2 points. Sardual. Pinasa kay Dichos. Katakutan. Pinasa sa ilalim. Up. Bad pass doon kay Monticalvo. Up. Na-steal ni Sardual once again. Layup counted. Sardual for the clean up. Ang ganda ng flight ni Sardual doon. So 9:18 na tayo guys. 9 points na ang kalamangan ng Bad Jumps Basketball at 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining for first quarter. Ordinisa took his time. Tumira. No good. Sardual kinuha yung pasa. Challenge yung defense. No good pa rin. Almost lost the ball. Number 2 gets it. Nalibog si number 2 ipasa. Ako na lang. No good. Scaffold din sa ilalim. Number 19 for the jumper. Counted.
Timeout.
De La Vega for 2 points. Ayan, this game is brought to you by Mayor Freddy Shao, Pagdayon, Ascenso, Iliganan. And of course, this timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy, Iligan. We can do it. And of course, acknowledging our rehydration partner, Amlan Purified Water, and also our merchandise partner, official merchandise for the GBL. We have 4J's Sports Activewear. Ayan, back to the ball game na tayo. Wow, ganda sana ng flight ni ano doon, Labado, pero hindi. Ordinisa, no good. Rebound Dichos. Roa. Bola, Bad Jumps pa rin. Oy, hindi pala. MSU IIT pala yun. Ito na si De La Vega. Pinasa kay Acacio. Oops, deflected. Pero able to get his own ball. Lumusot, Tumira, counted. Uses the board. Acacio for 2 points. Last 2 minutes for our first quarter. Dichos sa ilalim. Roa, wow! Counted and a foul. Happy attackers pa rin dun. Ayan, Onden and Nibungko will go in. Samson and Acacio will go out. Ayan. Sabi ni Coach, dili mao ang dipinsa ninyo. There has been a miscommunication on the side of MSU IIT Cats on their defensive end. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong adjustment yung nangyari dito. Onden receives the ball, binasa kay number 4. Back to Onden, to De La Vega. De La Vega, pump fakes. Nilusot sa tunga, drop pass. Sa ilalim na naman, nakuha ni Roa. Roa nagmamadali. Behind the back. Stolen. At nagmamadali si Nibungko. Oops. No foul dun. Nibungko holding his hand. Oy, on din pala yan. Yes, of course, we would like to shout out our 66 viewers. Please share a video. Para daghang pumakita sa live video, ayan. Kaya wala ta sa pwede siya nga page, na ta sa official GBL Facebook page. Labado passes the ball to Roa. Roa for 3 points. Monte Calvo pala. Ito si Roa, ayan. Short. Roa na naman. Roa na naman. Gets his own rebound and counted this time. Roa for 2 points. Panglayat daw mo, ingon ng coach sa MSU IIT. Ambak daw, sabi ng coach. Jump, backs out. 16-21 yung score natin. Here comes Roa na naman. Pinasa kay Manoy. Labado, tumira ng 3. Bang! Way downtown. For 3 points, Mr. Labado. De La Vega. Ordinisa, back to De La Vega. Pinasa kay Libungko. Ordinisa na naman for 3 points sa kilid. No good. High rebound by din. Palakan ni Roa. Nagmamadali si Labado. Labado. Pinasa kay Guro. Ayan, out of bounds. Ayan, sabi ng coach ng MSIT, basta masipyat, balik na yun. Diba? 10 points ang kalamangan. 10 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3.4 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
Under penalty.
Under penalty pa daw. 3 seconds remaining. Uy. Okay. And our first quarter, 16-26, 10 points ang kalamangan ng Bajams Basketball. Ayan, so of course, this end of quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy, Iligan, we can do it. And guys, our All-Star Game is upcoming karong March 1. So if naamoy butaran, kisa yung favorite players, butaran para mga dalag All-Star, please do comment dito sa post sa GBL official Facebook page. And of course, magdepende po na sa game time, game stats. Okay, natay game time, game stats. So dito na to may balaan kung kinsa ang karapat-dapat na makadula sa All-Star Game nato karong March 31. I guess it will be held in MSU IIT Gym. Yes, MSU IIT Gym. All-Star, tama no? MSU IIT Gym, no? Yes, MSU IIT Gym, yung natin, yung All-Star Game natin. Doon yung mangyayari yung All-Star Game natin. At saka possible slam dunk contest and 3-point contest. So sa slam dunk contest, once again, dili necessarily nga GBL players kinang pwede maka-appeal bisag kinsa. Open na siya sa bisag kinsa nga players, okay? Open na siya sa bisag kinsa. So if na may ma-recommend, please do message or comment natin sa GBL nga post sa All-Star Game. Okay, back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. Sa second quarter, ito na si Nibungko. Nibungko pinasa kay Limpag. Limpag. Hesitates. Nibungko took his time. Tumira ng jump shot. No good. Kinuha ni Limpag. Limpag tumira once again. No good pa rin. Rebounded by Monte Calvo. Monte Calvo humanap ng kakampi. Guarded by... Ayan, ito na si Roa. Roa sa gitna. No good. Uy, malapit yun. Nibungko. Nibungko almost lost the ball. Jump shot. Counted by number 38. Acacio, no good pa rin. Rebound by Labado. Labado nagmamadali. Air Labado na naman. Uy, no good this time. Big rebound by Roa. Gipadihan. Labado for 2 points and a foul this time. Nako. Na out-rebound ang MSUIT Cats doon. Siguro na problem sa ilang box outing talaga. Coach is furious about it. Limpag. Limpag na naman. 3 points sa kilid, no good. Guro handles the ball. Pinasa kay Montecalvo. Montecalvo counted. Uy! Nako. I think MSIT Cats need to elevate their defensive end talaga. Bang! Tumira ng 3. Si Ramil. Ito na si Guro. Montecalvo, pump fakes. Pinasa sa ilalim. Not counted, sabi ng referee. Pushing foul.
14 to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot. Manoy, pinasa kay Guro.
10 to shoot.
Guro. Wow, nice lefty by Guro for 2 points. Ganda ng highlight doon. Ito na si Limpag. To number 38. Uy, counted! Yes, IIT needs big time plays like that para makapas sila. Ramil, okay. Yeah. Ito na si Labado. Labado came back from injury. Good thing na makabalik siya ng laro ngayon. Ito na si Montecalvo playing low post. Dominated the low post. 2 points for Mr. Montecalvo. Limpag. Pinasa kay Ramil, pump fakes. Ramil tumira. No good. Nice rebound by number 4. Oy, napalakan. Guro. Pinasa kay Labado. Labado attacks the rim. Counted! Uncontested shot na naman. Nako, coach is furious about it. Parang IIT Cats dito elevate their defense kahit konti lang. Maraming uncontested shots ang defense ng MSU IIT.
14 to shoot.
Now the lead is up to 12 points in favor of Bajams
10 to
basketball.
shoot.
Limpag tumira ng 3. No good. Big rebound. Tap the ball. Nakuha ni Ramil. Counted. Manoy. Gibadihan. Binalik kay Labado. To Montecalvo. Sa ilalim. Wow! Ganda ng pasa. Pero lumabas. And now Limpag has it. Guarded by Guro. Limpag humahanap ng kakampi. Pinasa kay Acacio. Ramil na naman. The hot hands of MSU IIT Cats. Counted. Ayan. Kana ang mga kinanglan sa MSU IIT Cats. They need big time plays. Uy, ang daming Montecalvo sa natin. Taghanag Montecalvo nga player, uy. Ayan, papasok na si Roa. Kunin niya si Labado. Here comes Ramil on his first and final throw. Counted. Yeah, Ramil has been on fire at the moment. Lead is now back to 7 points at 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Montecalvo calls a play. Once a low post. Bang! Roa, oy! Minasahi ang depensa. Nakakuha ng foul. Ayan, Rowell will go to the free throw line and shoot 2 free throws. First throw counted. Limpag, pinasa sa kilid. Coast to coast. Number 2, jump shot. Uses the board. Counted by Acacio. For 2 points. Roa. Guro. Pinasa kay Montecalvo. Nakita si Roa sa ilalim. Back to Guro. Wow, ganda sana. Pinapalakan. Ayan, fast break to Acacio. Nag-iisa, wide open layup. Counted! Wow. Mukhang naginahini nag-apas ang MSRT Cats. Lead is now cut to 5 points. Ayan, Montecalvo. Low post na naman. Ganahan, ginilis na ipalupos si Roa. Ayan, masahe moment. Masahe moment. Uy! Na-steal! Halaka! Dili effective ang low post ni Roa. Uy, nakakuha pa ng foul si Montecalvo. Wow! This is interesting. Now, coach is forced to call a timeout. Parang daghan ng error ang nahitabo sa Badjams karon, no? Ayan. Magandang depensa ang pinakita ni Paring doon sa ilalim. Libre masahe doon, pero okay lang kasi di naman po masyadong bola, no? So, ayan, ito na ang back to the ball game tayo.
To shoot.
17 seconds to shoot. Wow! Nakakita ng opening. Hindi nakita ng Badjams yun. Halaka, the lead is now down to 3 points. Nangamras ng MSRT Cats. Katakutan this time sa ilalim.
10 to shoot.
May nakitang foul si referee.
Jersey number 02, third foul, under penalty.
Under penalty yung MSRT Cats. Ito na, si Katakutan.
10 to shoot.
Nakita sa ilalim, ganda sana ng pasa, nilakpan lang. Wow! Recovered by Roa for 2 points. Limpag. Nakita. Sa kilid. Si number 2. Wow! Stolen! Ay, no good! Sayang yung steal na Acacio. Ayan. Tinawagan ng referee. Wow, Katakutan, unsportsmanlike foul. Nakita na yun. Ayan, kitang-kita naman yun. Pero may complain ata si Katakutan before that play. Kaya niya nagawa yun. Nadala siya sa iyang gibati doon. Yan, counted yung
Substitution.
Mainit yung laban natin ngayon.
Okay, subs.
Yung MSRT Cats, hindi rin sila magbasta-basta ng backdown No, hindi rin sila basta-basta magpasindak. Sa mga veterans natin, ayan, too high, yung pasa ni Limpag.
Substitution.
Papasok si Dichos, kulit niya si Montecalvo. Roa. Wow, this is interesting. Takatakutan na naman. Nakakuha ng foul. Mura ganahan gining Badjams nga ipadulaan ng kuan ba? Ilalom, no? Low post play, ilang tirada karon na. Gusto silang masahe. Ayan, shot ang first throw ni Mr. Katakutan. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for a second quarter. Second throw, no good. Rebound by number 55. Limpag. Back to number 55. To Ramil.
10 to
Ramil.
shoot.
Guarded by Tinoy. Na-steal ni Tinoy. Ito si Roa. Bichos. Wow! Outbalance. Counted pa rin. Sabi ng coach, foul yun ata ref. Pero hindi tinawagan. Walang call on referee doon. Onden. Counted. Onden with the response. Furious yung head coach ng Bad Jams doon sa tawag na yun. Sa walang tawag na yun pala. So ito na si Katakutan. Gilupusan. Wow, ang ganda ng lupas sa Katakutan. Got by two men. Sayang. Wasn't able to make that shot. But he will go to the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
Penalty.
Sabi ng coach ng Bad Jams, tungod na kayo to.
Okay. Bajam. Warning against Siguro.
Oh, yeah.
Substitution.
Oy, ito na si Ito na si Mike Master G, ladies and gentlemen. Pumasok na yung natin. Voice of GBL. At dumating na rin si Mr. Jervin Halili, mga ka-GBL. Ayan. The voice of the GBL. Kumusta? Wapo ka po eh. Musukol lang ay tingin. Ginapisikal sila ayaw sa Bad Jams, pero ayan, never back down pa rin, no? Ayaw magpasindak itong mga MSIT Cats, the younger player in this ball game. Ito na si Ramil. Ramil tumira. Counted! 2 points by Ramil. And Tinoy, he will cross the ball, guarded by Limpag. Pinasa kay Katakutan. Ito na naman. Ito yung gustong set play nila. Low post play. Wow, spin move by Katakutan. No good. Big rebound by Katakutan. Takes his own ball. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni Tinoy. Sayang, wasn't able to clean that up. Pero nakakuha ng foul si Tinoy. Ayan, first throw of Tinoy, no good. Ayan, Jerome Paterno is back on the floor. Screen, good. Good yung second throw ni Tinoy. 42-45 yung score natin in favor of Team Bad Jams basketball pa rin. Tumira ng tres, no good, too strong. Rebound by Monticalvo. Tinoy, one-on-one. Naghulat ng teammate, pinasa kay Katakutan. Katakutan, gibadihan. Nabuya ng bula. Gilupusan ni Katakutan. Wow, 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation ang tawag ni referee. This is the first time I see the coach of Bad Jams furious when he used to be calm all the way sa ilang mga games. Ayan, Ramil, pinasa kay Limpag. To Ramil na naman.
10 to shoot.
Tumira, Ramil, the hot hands, no good. Up, Bula, Bad Jams. Sabi ni Katakutan, 3 seconds yun. He's in disbelief. Yan, Katakutan guarded by Onden. Umahanap ng kakampi. Gusto na ipasa kay Jerome Paterno. Ito na naman. Masahe moment. Up! Ayan. Wow. Puro slow post play ang ilang ginabuhat ka ron. Paring 2 personal fouls. Ayan, first throw Jerome Paterno, counted. Second throw, no good pa rin. 48 seconds remaining for the second quarter. 40 seconds remaining. Ramil, tumira ng 3. No good. Dichos. Katakutan. Sa ilalom na po. Here comes Jerome. Counted. Ang ganda ng hook shot na ginawa ni Jerome Paterno. Quick release. Jerome Paterno for 2 points. 17 seconds remaining. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that will end our second quarter and our first half with a score of 42-49 in favor of Badjams Basketball. We are 7-point lead lang. Oy, gamay lang ang lead, gamay lang. 7 points na ang kalamangan ng Team Badjams. This end of quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wek Wek Uy, Iligan. We can do it. 42-49, grabe.
Okay, so ito na. Back na po tayo. So we'll be joining Mikoy for the
Yes, yes,
second
yes.
half and most exciting and maatikabong bakbakan between MSOIT Cats versus Team Badjams. Talagang mukharbuas yun ang ato ang MSOIT
Yes,
Cats.
musukol yun, musukol yun. Ganina ba, kung naalang ka ganina, init ilang dula gamay. Pero nabilib ko sa MSIT Cats, although mas younger sila and mas experience ang Team Badjams, pero wala gid sila nadala sa gulat.
Yes.
Musukol yun ang mga...
Diri gyud makita kung unsa ang
Binigyan.
mga kuan ba intercollegiate na team between
Yes.
commercial teams, no?
Yes. Mga reason na ilang gipalingkod si Grate kay init sila ganina.
Baday po.
Yes. So hopefully, they can get their things together. Mabalik ilang mga key players para makontrol nila ang ilalom. Kita ko juga ning ilalom sa Badjams.
Yes.
And post play ang ilang ginabuhat ba? Ganahan gid sila magmasahe ba no? Pagmasahion taning mga batanon.
Mo good.
As you can see, we have Katakutan and Jerome. Puros mga yan. Low post player yan.
Okay, so now let's begin our third quarter and let's begin our second half. And now change court po tayo. So bola ng Badjam basketball tayo. All right, so let's begin. Okay, so ito na. Paterno back at quarter 3. Back 3 points. Paring driving the basket, steal. Sardual layup, good to 2 points. Sardual. De La Vega. For 3, no good. It's a rebound for Badjam. And it's a steal. De La Vega. Paring. Back to De La Vega ulit. Tumira na 3. No good. But it's a rebound. Block.
Deflected yung pasa ni Montecalvo doon. De La Vega to number 9. No good. Too strong. Oy, nakuha balik. Took his time there. No good pa rin. Dichos with the rebound. Pinasa sa very calm na point guard na si Montecalvo.
Montecalvo looking for an open man.
Katakutan once the ball so bad. Pinasa kay Jerome sa ilalim. Jerome uses his height. No good. Nakuha ni Ordenisa.
De La Vega.
Wow, wide
Polea.
open si Polea for 2 points.
Easy
Counted. Jerome Paterno. Nakita si Sardual. Sardual searching for an open man. Dichos. Lumusot, tumira. No good, short. Rebound by Katakutan. No good pa rin.
De La Vega. Driving the basket.
Wow, nice
Sandoval
steal.
got the ball. Got a steal.
Nakatumba na mga itong A-board.
No. And there's a whistle, no?
Mga bro, pwede ba malihog mga bro? Patindog, pwede ba malihog? Maliyong
On
tato na,
them.
patindog na. And now for player safety lang.
19 to shoot.
19 to shoot. Katakutan will do the inbound. Uy, pinagagawan. Double team. Almost a steal. But that would be recovered by Sardual.
Wow.
Back to Monte Carlo.
But Jams not a
Corner 3. No good.
big rebound doon.
Rebound by De La Vega. Ordaniza. Steal.
You have to appreciate the defense of Bajams Basketball not giving up on that play as they recovers the ball. Now the ball is with Katakutan.
Monte Calvo driving the basket. Side corner 3 again. No good. Rebound by Ordaniza. Pupulea.
Pulea, too strong. Sayang, wide open na sana yon. Score is now 10-point lead for Team Bajams, 44 to 54. And the time remaining for the third quarter is 7 minutes. As Sardual takes a jump
Sandoval.
shot.
Uy, no good. Rebound by De La Vega. And there's a whistle.
Substitution.
De La Vega dribbling the ball, looking for an open man. On then. Side corner for 3. No good. Katakutan driving the basket. Dalawang isip. Oh, there's a whistle.
Katakutan, no? Nasampalan sa nawong.
14 to shoot.
Okay, Katakutan will do the inbound. Dumahanap ng open man. Uy, naiwanan! But nabitawan ni Manoy. Turnover by Team Bajam. Alright, on then to De La Vega. De La Vega. On then ulit. And then jumper. 2 points. On then. Labado to Katakutan. To Manoy, 2 points for Manoy. Ito na, so babawi ang Team Cats ito. De La Vega driving the ball, posting, setting up the game for his team. Umatake sa basket. Jumper for De La Vega, no good. Rebound by Paterno. Labado to Katakutan. Katakutan looking for an open man. And that will be a steal. And then got it. Ordaniza for 3. No good. Labado to Katakutan, and that's a steal for Onden. Onden driving the basket for layup. Basket counted. And 1. Grabe. Yun. Substitution.
Yeah,
So,
good thing we have instant replay, no? Kay, from this angle, maragwa gidlapti ba?
Okay.
Pero pagtanaw mo sa replay, naagiri body contact, no?
Yes.
Good call, ref. Good call.
So Onden will be going to the line for to complete a 3-point play. So under 5 minutes and 10 for the third quarter. Complete ang 3-point play ni Onden. So that will be 49-56. Guro. To Labado. Labado. Guro.
And to shoot.
For 3, no good. Rebound by Kana. Oh, good. It will be a 2 points. Ordaniza. Polea. Oh, almost a steal. Timeout, MSUI Etiquettes. Tumawag ng timeout si Coach. And that time is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wick Wickley Iligan. We can do it. And under 4 minutes and 33, 49, 58, lamang ang Team Bad Jams.
So shout out to mga live viewers, Vince Habaracos. Shout out to NHIM from Pagadian. Of course, Raquel Onden. Sir, ka na si Jenna Matino. Ayan ang ikugos ang anak, 3 months old pa.
Shout out kay GBL Raquel Lazaro Onden.
Sir, ka na si Jerome Paterno. Iya pa nang gikugos akong anak, 3 months old pa na. Akong anak, kala si number 4, IIT Cats. Wow, kinugos pa rin ni Jerome
3
Paterno.
points. Alimpag for 3 points. Grabe na gini. Generation of the playable players sa Iligan. Labado. 3. No good. Air ball. And that would be an out of bounds and a turnover for Team Bad Jams.
Grabe, no? Inana ang longevity ni Jerome Paterno. Naapa siya kinugos diri, yan ang nakontra. 3 months old pa.
Grate. Screen. Limpag. Back to Grate.
And to shoot.
Try to shoot.
Ramil. Crossover sa gitna.
Ramil. Okay, that will be a rebound. Oh, that will be a good defense for Limpag.
Grabe na naman.
To Ramil. Alright, that will be a reaching foul.
Third team foul, Bad Jams.
16 to shoot.
Ramil will do the inbound. To Grate, Ramil. Back to Limpag. Limpag for 3. Bam!
That was huge for Miss IT Cats.
Limpag for 3 points.
Yes, that was big time for MSU IIT Cats.
Babasaan ni Malamang Koy ng ating
Cutting
Team
the
Bad
lead.
Jam.
Yes, cutting the lead to 3 points na lang. Tingnan natin ang response ng
And to
Bajams.
shoot.
Defense lang. Oy, bumabante na agad ang dalawa.
Malunsan man po na yun sa Bajams. Ay. Relax na kayo.
Time 2 minutes and 57. 60-55. Limang lamang ng ating Team Bad Jams. Limpag. Beyond the arc.
Wow! Boarding na naman.
Bag shot.
Back to back.
And
The
that-
small but terrible of MSU IIT Cats, the Mighty Mouse.
Yes, Koy, for this quarter, tatlo yung napukol ni Limpag for the 3 points, no?
Yes, and they need more of that talaga to be
And-
able to take the lead.
That forces coach of Team Bad Jams call timeout immediately.
Yes.
Oh.
2 points na lang kasi yung kalamangan.
Binaba sa 2 points. Isang single shot na lang yung
Yes.
lamang na Team Bad Jams.
And tingnan natin yung adjustment na gagawin ng Team Bajams. So ayun, nakunti-unti ng nakuha ng MSU IIT Cats yung momentum nila. So let us see how Bajams basketball responds to that. So ito na, pumasok na rin si Roa.
Manoy Multicalvo. Guro and Labado for Team Bad Jams. Multicalvo. Hey, that would be
Kuyawa ni Monticalvo, no? Kwan ba? Tall player na high post o low post.
Multicalvo looking for an open man. Parto Liberado. Libado.
And to shoot.
Attacking the basket. Pass to
Manoy.
Team Manoy. Manoy for 2 points.
A friendly bounce by Manoy doon. Here comes MSU IIT Cats. Ramil. Pwede kayo, ma'am. Pwede kayo. Sige, ato na sa hangyon.
Papicturean daw si
Yes.
Paterno.
Ingon pa ni Raquel sa live nato sa Facebook. Sir, basin pwede makahangyo after sa game, papicturean silang duha.
Pwede.
Para naay before and after. Ha, ha, ha. So si Jerome Paterno og si
Number 14.
number
seconds.
14. Si Undin, si Una. Wala problema naman, we'll do that for you.
Labado.
Labado, Toroa. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Instant response yung gagawin ng Team Bajams Basketball. Now the lead is now back to 6 points. Ganun lang kadali. Grate. Nag-high post. Leaving him open. Ramil this time, the hot hands.
Ready to shoot.
Back to Limpag. Limpag guarded by a tall player. Tomira. No good. Tapik. Back to
Ramil
Ramil.
got it.
Ay! Sabi ni Ramil, walang foul doon. Well, referee has seen nothing on that. Labado sa lalim. Wow!
2 points for Librado.
Grabe yung contact doon, pero parang wala lang din sa si Labado. Paglawas mong bataa.
Ready to shoot. Seconds to play.
Nice crossover, Balimpag! Sayang lang, wasn't able to make that shot. Highlight na sana yon. Ano ba yan? Ankle break ba yan?
Sort of. Yeah, sort of yun.
medyo,
Gandang ball
medyo.
handling ni Limpag.
Uy, acknowledging the presence of the team owner of Team Bajams. Sir Michael. Manoy. Tulabado.
Ready to shoot.
Pomira uses the board, too strong.
And there's a whistle. Foul by Monte Calvo.
Oh, yeah. Monticalvo na, Monticalvo. Dagang Monticalvo doon.
Team got warning. Okay, jersey number 28 got warning for continuous complaining.
Ayan, tinawagan si Ramil ng continuous complaining. So, Monte Calvo, number 7, will go for line for 2. First throw. Basket counted. Okay, complete yung dalawang free throw ni Monte Calvo.
Grabe ba, it's that easy.
Yes.
Gibalik nila lang lead to 10 points.
Okay,
Inaato na kadali.
10 na naman ang lamang ng ating Team Bajams.
And that is how Bajams basketball
Monte Calvo.
responds.
And that would be a foul for Libado. Alabado, sorry.
Under penalty.
Ready to shoot.
Oh, bang! Lipang
Wow.
for 3.
Watching from City Jail, need mixin to Dre, Idol Mikoy.
Limpa for 3 points. Grabe. Natapon. Pero bumawi ng 3. Oh, almost lost. Recovered. Labado.
Tuguro. No good.
And that would be a time. Okay, end of the regulation tayo. So that ends our third quarter. Grabe. Ayun, babasas 7 ang lamang. Talagang dinititigilan ng Team MSOI Tickets ang paghambol sa puntos ng Team Bajam. So end of the third quarter, 61-68. 7 na lang ang lamang. And now moving on naman tayo sa ating fourth quarter. And now that quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wickwat Uy. Iligan, we can do it. Ayun. So sa mo pamananaw ko, sa po yung buhaton dapat sa Cats para masustain nilang energy to take the win for tonight kasi
Yeah,
we are
sa
already
tinod lang- sa
going
tinod
to the
lang-
fourth quarter eh.
Yes, daghan kasi sila kuan gyud bay. Offensive rebound ang Team Bajams.
Oh.
Sometimes sa sobraan po nila box out, murag di
Oh.
na sila mo ambak.
Mga get po.
Daghang offensive rebound ang Team Bajams and maka-convert ra ba gyud.
Mm-hmm.
Si Manoy, silang Monticalvo. So yeah, I think they need to work on their defense and mo na ang issue but sa coach kanina.
Yes. And let's see what will be the MSOIT Cats will do to take the lead or to take home the win for tonight kasi alam naman natin lamang and consistent ang laruan ng Team Bad Jams.
Correct.
Okay, so Cats basketball tayo. Back to the ball game mga ka-GBL. And now moving on na po tayo sa ating fourth quarter, the last quarter for the first game for tonight. Eto na Limpag. Uy, tumira ng tres bigla. But that will be an air ball.
Ayan, parang mahirap din tignan sa angle. Parang mahirap din tignan sa aming angle dito sa replay.
All right, so that would be Cats basketball and that would be a block according to our referee.
Ayan, we have a referee's decision. And Ditchos doesn't seem to react on it. So, basi tinood yun.
14.
Oy, nailugan.
Steal.
Nakuha ni Katakutan.
Si Sardual.
Wow, layup, no good. Ramil got it. Pass to Limpag, Limpag. Back to Ramil, setting up the game. Kinuhang screen ni Grate.
Behind the
Grate
back.
got it.
What's wrong with Ramil? What's wrong with Ramil? Something's wrong with Ramil.
No good.
Something is wrong with Ramil. What's wrong with him?
Montecalvo. Back to Sadual. And that would be a tip-off by Grate.
11 to shoot. Shot clock.
11 shot clock na lang.
Score is still the same, 61-68.
Paterno posting up.
5 to shoot.
Points for Paterno.
Libre masahe and 2 points. Brought to you by Jerome Paterno. Grate, Tulimpag. Wow! Sayang yun!
Walakas lang.
Ganda sana. Ito na naman si Sadual.
Oh!
Pass. Nakuha ni Paring.
That will be a good steal and
Oh,
defense by
Denisa.
Paterno.
Ramel, wide open, 3. No good.
Strong. Paterno Sadual. Sadual iniwan sa tres. Tumira. Oh,
In and out.
In and out.
Yan. Intense na yung laro natin kasi fourth quarter na.
Substitution.
Grate is now giving screens to Limpag. He wants Limpag to shoot the ball. Pero yun nga lang, Limpag doesn't seem to see an opening.
Sadual. Oh, nabitawan. Recovered. Uy. Nag-bounce out ang bola.
We are now 8
15 to
minutes.
shoot. Shot clock.
8 minutes and 7 seconds remaining for a fourth quarter. Jerome Paterno, screens. Binalik kay Jitchos for 3 points.
Points.
Ayan.
3 points for Dechos. Abante ang puntos ng Team Bajam. 73-61.
Paring, hiwi kayo.
Pinilit yun.
Montecalvo.
Montecalvo. And that would be a steal. Good defense by Limpag. Oh, that would be a foul for Sardual. Reaching foul. Okay, so there you go. 7 minutes, 38. 61-73 ang score. Talaan ang score natin, guys. Limpag. Grate. No good. Malakas lang.
Grate was ineffective there. Grabe ka dagkog ilalom ng Bajams. Ayan, Jerome Paterno na naman.
Okay, and that would be a good defense for Limpaga. Alazaga. Ano ba? Yan, Lazaga. Limpag, dribbling the ball. Looking for an open man. Ordaniza.
12 to shoot.
Balik kay Limpag.
10 to
To
shoot.
Lazaga.
Shot clock.
Paring. Limpag.
5 to shoot.
Ordaniza. Fire for 3. No good. Too strong. Dechos. To Sardual. Sardual block. Clean block by number 55. Good defense. So 61 tayo, 73. Paterno to versus Grate.
Wala, Grate disagrees with that call to the referee.
So Paterno will go to the line.
23rd foul.
Okay, so there you go. 74-61, under 6 minutes and 40 minutes for the fourth quarter. Grate. Spin move.
Yun nga lang, di ba? Kung dulaan po ni Grate sa ilalom, tabangan po sa duha ka big man sa bad jumps.
So that would be a foul for Katakutan. Lazaga for 3. Too strong. Bang! Monte Calvo looking for an open man.
Oy, man-to-man ng MSLT Cats. Ito, ganahan kay sa Paterno, ani.
Paterno, no good. Oy,
Basta isolation play. Nako, hawani ang tunga.
Shot clock, reset 14.
Ayan, pangiting-ngiti lang si Monte Calvo as he lies down on the floor. The relaxed and composed Monte Calvo. Nako,
Okay.
delikado ang MSLT Cats, ani, I think, pag magmantuman sila.
mo lagi.
Jerome Paterno. They have Jerome Paterno. They have
They really taking
Katakutan.
advantage. You know, he
ng
advantage,
mga
take
magaling
advantage
sa
sila.
ilalim. Look at this, look at this.
Katakutan.
Nako, the switch
Uy.
on Paterno. Ayun na.
Dead shot.
Short.
No good. Di ba,
Ayan, si Grate. Tuparing.
Paring.
Wide open.
Layup, 2
Layup.
points for Paring.
Ayan, ayan. This is interesting. Ito na. I want to see this. I want to see this isolation play. Tingnan natin. Ayan, ito na. Op, double team. Pinasa sa labas. Op, no call there.
So there will be no foul for Sardual. And that would be a turnover for Team Bad Jams.
5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our last quarter.
Lipag to Lazaga. Lipag at the screen.
May nakita si referee. Offensive foul on Paring. Illegal screen. Ah, yes. That was, talaga. Pag mag-screen ka, bawal juga mo lihok. Illegal pick ang inabutan ni Paring. Katakutan. Ito na si Jerome Paterno. Ay!
And that would be a putback shot by Dechos.
Di ba? Offensive rebound ng Bajams na grabe ka-effective.
Eight to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Grate sa gitna. Wow!
2 points for
Finally.
Grate.
Grate makes his low post play. Reserve timeout daw kuno sa MSA Cats. Ito na naman si Paterno. Ganda ng response ni Paterno.
Timeout, MSUIAT Cats. Ayun talaga, hindi talaga mapipigilan si Paterno when it comes to the reach. Kahit dinoble team na, kuhang-kuha pa rin yung puntusan.
4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Triple team. Tulo ka mong nagbantay siya to.
Yes, 79-65, under 4 minutes and 33 at last quarter. Mga ka-GBL, and that timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Iligan. We can do it.
Yan, big shoutout din sa ating league bearer na si ever supportive Mayor Frederick Xiao, Padayon Ascenso Iliganon. Back to the ball game tayo in our fourth quarter. We have 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. So yan, naka-stretch na yung kalamangan natin to 14 points.
Nasayang yung mga back-to-back threes ni Limpag kanina.
Yes, big time sana yun, no? But well, 4 minutes is still a lot of time. So, we'll see if something great is gonna happen for tonight.
Limpag.
As Limpag throws the ball. No good.
Strong.
Big rebound by Jerome Paterno. Tingnan natin yung depensa ng MSIT Cats. Yan, nag-remain. Ano pa rin sila? Man-to-man defense pa rin sila. Jerome wants the ball against Grate. Quick release. No good. Rebound by Paring. Paring coast to coast. Tumira kay si Ramil. No good pa rin. Big rebound by number 12. Counted.
You know what, Koy?
Denisa.
For me, if ako ang MSOIT Cats, I need to settle the easy shot compared to getting, threes, no? Because
Yes.
the time is much more enough for them.
Correct.
Okay, that would be 8-second
8 seconds
violation.
remaining. Yeah, I kind of agree to that. Pero they also need to have that, kanang, murag to kanang dagong mga points, like 3-point shots,
Yes.
para mas dali sila makaapas. And at
Okay.
the same time, kung dulaan pa nilang ilalumpot, naapoy dagko po ng team jump. So it's gonna be a hard situation for MSUIT Cats talaga.
Yes, I agree with that.
See? Ito na sa ilalim. Ay, wow!
Diba? So at least madili sayang ang kada ball possession.
Correct, correct.
Although maayo man ng mga shooter ang Cats, but somehow they settled for a contested shot. So that would be lessen the percentage of their accuracy.
Meanwhile, Jerome Paterno against Grate.
5 to shoot.
Jerome
both
Paterno
team.
pinasa sa labas.
That's just for 3. No good. Paring
by
rebound.
Ayan,
Ramil.
long pass to Ramil. Step backs on 3 points.
Bang! Ganda, ganda. And that will be 3 points for Ramil. So that's a good thing, no? At
Yeah.
yung mga hindi contested shots, kumbaga ba? So if they're going to settle for 3, that would be immediate, hindi contested, and that would be good percentage for them na talagang papasok. So
Yes.
daw dapat dipilitin. Pero good thing naman ko, 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes pa man tayo, every ball possession, dapat makakuha sila ng mga puntos. Kahit 2 points lang. And that
They
would be
need
a good chance for them to hobble
Yes.
the points of Team Bajams. And ngayon, we are 72-79 na lang yung score.
Yes,
Oh,
they need
diba?
to be more efficient lang talaga.
But again,
From outside shooting and inside the perimeter.
in every play talaga dapat may tight defense din.
Pero nasaan ko nabantayan sa Bajam's offense, parang parang Jerome Paterno is having struggles dun sa ilalim. So I
Yes.
think Bajams is gonna have a little bit of adjustment dun. So tingnan natin kung si Jerome pa rin yung option nila. So, ayan. Guro, guarded by
12
the
to
pack.
shoot. 10 to
Double
shoot
team.
lang.
Pinasa kay
8 to
Dichos.
shoot. 5 to shoot.
Wow!
Iwanan.
Nakita ng opening.
Naiwanan na ang ilalim. They're still focusing lang talaga kay Paterno, no?
Yeah, I think Grate was focusing on Paterno there. Wow! Ito na si Grate. Ganda ng ginawa ni Grate. Yes, we need more of that.
Di ko comment ko, hindi ko kita. Alright,
need more
so
of
now,
that.
there we go.
Ito na. Siguro. Ito Paterno na naman. Paterno, Willie. Oy! Decide to
Dichos.
pass the ball. To Dichos.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes na po tayo. Ramil got the rebound.
Ramil ang si Ramil may grabe ka hot hands ka ron sa MSIT. Gilusot.
Uy,
Sayang
pinilit.
ron, pinilit. And kinda Ayan, Guru decides to kill the time. Sayang yun, medyo nagdali si Ramil doon.
Substitution.
Napaisa coach.
Nilabas si Paterno.
Ayan, nilabas
Rest
nila si
na tapos si
Paterno.
Paterno. Roa, pumalit.
I think naka-learn din yung head coach sa nahitabo sila sa Sultans baka tong
Yes.
Paterno
12 to
option.
shoot.
And now they're adjusting. Grabing depensa ng Limpag.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Nakalusot.
Ooh, good defense.
Wow,
by
good
Kit
defense
Cats.
by MSIT Cats.
Uy!
Bang! Ni Balos.
And also a good defense for Team Bajam.
Magandang depensa yung pinakita ni MSIT Cats. But the question is, the time is already 1 minute and 16 seconds. Will they be able to catch that up? Makaapas pa ba sila sa inani kagamay nga time? Something big needs to happen.
Grate, spin move.
They need a quick release. Too strong. Wow!
lang.
Too strong. Akala ko too strong yun.
Ordaniza for 3 points.
Hala. Ayan, Monte Calvo decides to cut the time.
Ayun, 4 points na lang. Baba sa 4 ang Lamanggoys for that 3 of Ordaniza.
13 fouls. MSUI IT cuts.
I think that was a little bit of a smart foul din.
Oh.
Okay lang to siya ka-foul. Tanaw na ako di ko sa penalty. Ito na si Roa. Tingnan natin kung effective ang lupos ni Roa. Nakita si katagutan. Wow, nakakuha ng foul. Gimano yung moves.
Taking the
Advantage of the
short
smaller
defense.
opponent.
Ayan.
Well, katagutan, ano rin yan? Isa rin yan sa mga veteran player dito sa Iligan City. And he sees that, Limpag wasn't on established position there.
Yes.
So decided to create contact and gets a foul.
Time out!
Cats.
MSU IT cuts.
Uy, ayun. And that timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Work with Iligan. We can do it. And sa Lano score natin, guys, 84-77.
Nagluya ng imisyo tikat. Ay, kulang nila mga cheerleaders. Ano?
Mahagin.
Huwag man ito lang mga cheerleaders ng niagi.
Cats, no more timeout.
Wala ng timeout. So, inubos na, kinuha at ginamit na ni Coach ang last timeout for Team Cats.
They need to create big time 3 points dito sa
Shot
imisyo
clock,
tikat.
14 to shoot.
This time, quick shot tayo. Settle for quick shot. And back to the tight defense.
Screen plays.
Dapat mag-full court sila defense, Anikoy, no? If ever given a
35
chance.
seconds.
Papakapunto sila here.
Walang screen. No, where's the
8
screen?
to shoot.
They need a screen on there. There you go. There's a screen.
There! That's what I'm saying!
Ayun, yun ang sinabi ko.
Ramil for 3
That was the
points!
screen that they need.
And this time, kinahanglan lagi sila ng full court defense,
14
Koy.
seconds.
For this time,
20
no?
seconds na lang. I think they should give a
40
foul.
seconds. 39 seconds!
I think they should give a foul. Oh my goodness.
Kinuha na ng
Tagal, ang
foul.
tagal nun, ang tagal.
Team penalty.
Grati, fourth foul.
But I don't think so. It's a good foul yun for Grati, ha?
35 seconds remaining.
Under penalty ito sa ganina.
Kasi given yun, Koy, if ever that ball possession, kung nagminti sila that time, pwede silang bumawi, di ba? So now they're going to have a free throws and that would be an advantage for them to move forward with the points. O, tanawa na.
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
And easy basket
Masakit
for
yun.
Montalvo.
The offensive rebound.
20 seconds.
They need big time shots.
Third team foul, jump by jump.
24 seconds.
Shout out sa kong lang sir, si Roa 00 gikan para balang Cebu. Nagdula,
14
grabe.
to shoot.
Wide open, no good.
strong.
Ay. So I think this is it. I think
12
this is it.
seconds.
Wow.
Basket counted.
Hala.
10 seconds.
Ay, nako. Still.
And game over! Winner, Team Bajams!
Sige. Ayan, so we will wait for the for the player of the game. For tonight's player of the game brought to you by Counselor
Pero,
Derek Shao.
pero you know what? I would like to commend
Yes.
MSOIT Cats for a good game na talagang
Tama,
pinapakita. Talagang,
Wala gid sila nalubong sa very dominant team na si Bad Jumps Basketball.
talagang binigyan nila ng magandang laban ng Team Bad Jams.
Yes.
No?
In fact, naka-compass lagi na. Naka 2 points.
Oo, tumabas sa 2
Salmangan.
points eh, di ba?
Yeah.
About 14 points yung pinaka-highest ata yung lamang. But
Yes.
bumaba sa dalawa.
So right now, we will find out who is the player of the game. Oh, sige. Okay, gawas na ta. Kung saan ako nipagawas.
Okay.
Ayan. We will find out who is the best player of the game. Brought to you by Counselor Derek Shao.
So now we are going to call in our Derek Shao, player of the game for our first game for tonight between Team MSYT Cats and Team Bad Jams. So for our Team Bad Jams, siyempre sa kanila manggagaling yung player of the game natin. So we'll just wait for our commissioner kung sino yung player of the game natin for tonight. So Koy, as mentioned kaganina, grabe ginandulang ang ginapakita both teams. And again, congratulations for Team Bad Jams for advancing the win for tonight. And also commending our Team MSYT Cats na talagang highly spirited yung nilalaro nila when it comes to puntusan. So talagang
Despite
binabagay ng
the
puntos.
MSET sila mga younger,
Aha.
ng mga younger players, pero wala din sila nagpadala sa mga gulat, sa mga physicality na
Yes.
ginahatag sa Bad Jams. In fact, wala pa din sila nadako. Dili kayo lubong ang score, no? Actually, close fight siya. Nalay times na gid nga ineffective sila silang offense.
Yes.
That's why makawit ang opening sa Bad Jams na ma-stretch ang lead. Back to 10 points once again.
Okay,
So anyways, we are waiting for our commissioner for the decision of the player of the game.
So I think si
Pinoy at
Paterno.
Pinoy.
Si Paterno siguro I think. I think si Paterno ang player of the game. But tignan na natin guys. So we'll base it on the stats.
Para sa Kobe mo na basta si Dichos.
Let's sauce.
Pwede, Dichos, pwede. Tignan natin.
Alright, congratulations Team MCYT Cats for that wonderful game. So by the way mga ka-GBL, don't you ever forget that we are live on stream for ating Facebook page of Game Time Basketball League. So may request sa ating mga ka-GBL sa mga hindi pa nakapag-like, like our Facebook page for more updates and highlights in our games. Andun po lahat makikita. So again, we would like to inform also that on March 1 will be our first ever Game Time Basketball League All-Star game. So that would be on MSU IIT Gymnasium. So maraming salamat to Chancellor Attorney Alice Sidney Dito Kalan for approving our wonderful gym na magamit on our All-Star game. Ayan. So see you tayo sa March 1 sa MSYT Gym for our Game Time Basketball League All-Star game. So may 3-point shootout for all the players for the slam dunk, open for the players and outsiders na maglalaro sa Meet Yourself. Also sa inyong mga pangalan sa gusto maglaro for the slam dunk competition.
Yes, so I have with me right now is the player of the game. But by the way, naig-request ang atong isa ka live viewer ganina nga mag-request daw sila. Mama to ni Onden na yan. Nga magpa-picture daw kuno si Onden o si Jerome Paterno kay kinugus pa daw kuno na ni Jerome Paterno si Onden sa una 3 months old pa lang na. And karon kadula na sila kontra na sila sa isa ka open basketball league. So inana ang longevity ni Jerome Paterno. Pila na edad ni Onden? 19 years old, grabe no, 19 years of straight basketball for Jerome Paterno.
Yes.
So yan, after sila magtake
Si
picture,
Paterno, legendary na talaga.
yan,
no?
legendary ng Iligan City yan, pride of Iligan din yan.
Okay.
So picture sila, gusto sa mama, requested of the mother of Mr. Onden.
Alright, so now, Koy, so are you ready? So now, mga ka-GBL, let us now announce our Derek Shao, Honorable Counselor Derek Shao, player of the game.
Yes, of course, your player of the game is no other than number 31, Brian Dichos with 11 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block.
Alright,
So,
congratulations,
grabe, everywhere
Mr. Brian
talaga.
Detsos, number 31. Palakpakan po natin. Sir Detsos, please join
Yes.
me here. Yan.
Yan, Dichos. Wait, ako sa iyo ito naman.
Alright, Sir Detsos.
Wow.
Uy, wow! Wait. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, grabe no? So it's so nice to be in Team
Hello,
Bad Jams
hello.
right now. Unsa na siya? Bonus ba? Bonus?
Bonus.
Ayan, so Dichos, ano man ang masasabi mo sa MSUIT cast na mas younger sila compare sa inyo pero wala gid silang padala sa inyo mga physicality unsa man ang maingon sila.
Manganginan kayo.
Ang inan ka.
Kasado kayo.
Grabe pa kasado ka, no? So, it's a good thing kamo bisan patulog mas older mo and natin na yung mga trabaho dili na gid kay ingon nga basketball ang atong priority karon. How did you guys able to keep up sa ilang energy?
And kuan lang gid, focus lang gid sa dula. And paminaw lang sa coach para mo daog. And that's it.
Yes. And nato time pod nga nagnaog na lang ang kalamangan from 10 points to 2 points. And then after that, gamay lang kayo ang time nga inyong gibuhat nga gihatag ninyo nga nilabout to 10 points na pud balik ang inyong lamang. So unsa man yung strategy ato?
Basta maminaw lang gid ka sa coach. Mo daog jud ka.
Ayan.
Then kanang kang paterno pod. Minaw po kang paterno mo daog.
Grabe ka humble si Mr. Dichos, no? Despite a good player that he is, maminaw gyud siya sa coach and sa mas veteran nga player siya. So dapat natin yan tularan mga younger players. So once again, thank you so much. Kung gusto i-shout out na imong mga loved ones, bisagin sa imong uyab, go.
Shout out na ko sa akong papa diha pa para sa imong nga dula. Akong kuya Adrian Dicho, shout out. O kang Michael Capricho, shout out. And shout out po sa akong uyab, nada sportive kayo. Si Ren Roble. And shout out sa akong coach. Nice game. And sa team Badjams and sa sir. Salamat kay sir, madam, salamat. And all support sa Badjams. Salamat.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Once again, congratulations, Brian Dichos. Without a doubt, you are the best player of the game. Bye.
Alright,
So,
so there you
naka-picture
go.
na ba? Naka-picture na si Jerome Paterno o si Unden? Humana? Ha? Humana? Wow, grabe, no? That was very,
Historic for them, guys.
yeah, historic, 3 months old pa lang si Unden, number 14.
Yes.
Kinugo sa si Jerome Paterno and now, 19 years later, nag-abot sila diri sa GBL.
Yes, and now looking forward tayo mga GBL. Moving on to ating second game for tonight between Team Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites versus Team Sultan RX. So that would be a good play for tonight. So aabangan naman natin ang maatigabong laban between Kuya Chamel's Clone Bites versus Team Sultan. So now we're preparing ourselves for our second game. So now mga GBL, you know what time is it? It's
Game time!
okay, so now Team Sultan versus Team Chamel. Slow by, start your warm-ups. All right, break muna tayo. So now let's play our advertisement for our sponsors. Maraming salamat once again. Honorable Mayor Frederick Shaw, Padayon Asensong Liganon, our GBL League Bearer, our Mayor, Honorable Mayor Freddy W. Shaw. Thank you so much, Mayor. And also to our
siyang hininga ng kairaming mga tao. At ang dating munting bukid ngayon'y sementeryo. Toto'y kumilos ka, baliktarin ang tatsulok. Tulad ng dukha na ilagay mo sa tuktok. Hindi pula't dilaw, tunay na magkalaban. Ang kulay at tatak ay di siyang dahilan.